Hey guys, I'm Keith Weaver, Aimpoint's Regional Commercial Sales Manager, and I'm happy to announce that the Pro Optic, the Patrol Rifle Optic, is now available to our entire dealer base. This sight was designed from the ground up using our M2, M3 body style, a 30,000 hour ASET diode, which is going to give you a 3-year runtime. Comes with flip caps, clear flip cap in the rear, mount belt in. This is going to be a phenomenal value at $440 retail. These were originally designed for our law enforcement end users, and now this incredible value is available for everybody.